Okay, everyone should be on page 16 in their chapter 4 packet, the 1617 41 to 43 packet. And we're going to go over 4.2. Now, to start with 4.2, and this is not a trick question, I want everybody to think, how many solutions would there be to this equation? X plus 3 equals 8. Not a trick question. I'm assuming everybody says there's only one solution and the answer is X. And you would be correct. 5 plus 3 is 8. Check. So in general, when there's only one variable, in general, there's only one solution. Of course, there are exceptions. But now, let's take an equation like this. X plus y equals 8. So there are two variables, and we're going to try to figure out how many solutions there are. So I want you to take a few minutes and see if you can come up with 2 or 3 solutions. Okay, I came up with a bunch. X could be 1, y could be 7. X could be 2, y could be 6. X could be 3, y could be 5. X could be negative 2, y would be 10. X could be a half, and y could be 7.5. And I bet you came up with different ones too. And what we realize is there are an infinite number of solutions when you have an equation with 2 variables. Okay? But all of the solutions are ordered pairs. So, an equation in 2 variables has a solution of ordered pairs. And a set of ordered pairs is called a relation. So the answer to an equation in 2 variables is a relation or a set of ordered pairs. Okay? So over here, solution of an equation in 2 variables is a relation or set of ordered pairs. You need to know that a relation is a set of ordered pairs. That's an important vocabulary word. Okay, now go back to the margin here and it says which ordered pairs are a solution to 3x minus y equals 7. Now, we have to plug these in to determine which ones are solutions. And there can be more than one solution. So that means I have to plug in each ordered pair and see if it works. So this is x, this is y. So 3 times 3 minus 4, does that equal 7? No. 3 times 1 minus negative 4, does that equal 7? Yes. So B works. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 3 is 18, so C does not work. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1, so D doesn't work. So in this case, the only solution is B. So the only way to determine if these are solutions is plug it in and see if it works. Okay? So now, we know what a linear equation is. We've done that before. A linear equation, when graphed, forms a line. Okay? So we know when we graph a set of ordered pairs, if it forms a line, it's a linear equation. We know that our domain is a set of x values, and the range is a set of y values. Again, this is all vocabulary you need to know. We know the standard form of a linear equation. It's ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are relatively prime integers, and a is greater than or equal to 0. And we also know that a function is a relation where every x is paired with a unique y. Okay, so this is just a review of some of the vocabulary you need to know. But basically today we are going to be focusing on that when you have an equation with 2 variables, your solution set is an infinite number of ordered pairs. And the easiest way to show an infinite number of ordered pairs is to graph it and show a line. And every point on that line represents a solution to that equation. So if you wanted to know why you learned how to graph linear equations last year, was when you were graphing it, you were actually showing the solution set to that equation in two variables. Okay? So, we're going to stop this video and you're going to listen to the next one after this.